Hi, Jessica here, your Facebook marketing coach. And this week's tip is more of my beef. It's my beef with the boost button. Now the boost button is a little button at the end of all your Facebook page's posts, and it's Facebook's way of introducing you smoothly and easily into spending money with them. And let's face it, if you want more than 1% of your Facebook page followers to see the content from your business on Facebook, we all need to spend a little bit of money. But my beef with the boost button is because clicking on the boost button is a little bit like playing with the pokies. It might pay out occasionally, but most of the time we're just losing. As business owners, we need to learn how to play the slots on Facebook.